In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar to your Trello board using power-ups. If you're managing projects or tasks in Trello, having a calendar view can be a game changer. It allows you to see all your due dates laid out in a clear visual format, making it easier to plan ahead and stay on track. Whether you're coordinating with a team or just organizing your personal projects, this feature can streamline your workflow and boost your productivity. So let's dive in and get started with adding a calendar to your Trello board. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.trello.com. This will take you to Trello's homepage where you can access your account. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. Next, you'll need to log in to your Trello account. Enter your email address and password as prompted. Alternatively, you can select a single sign-on option, like using your Google or Microsoft account, if that's how you usually access Trello. After entering your information, click Login to continue. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Trello workspace and select the board where you'd like to add the calendar feature. Make sure this is the board you want to enhance with the calendar view. Before proceeding, it's important to confirm that you have permission to add power-ups to this board. If you're part of a team, double-check with the board admin if necessary. Now, locate the power-ups area on your board. It's usually found at the top of the board and is indicated by a small rocket icon. Click on this area, and from the drop-down menu, select Add Power-Ups. This will open the Power-Ups directory, where you can browse and add new features to your board. In the Power-Ups directory, you'll see a search bar. Click on it and type the word Calendar. This will help you find the specific calendar option that integrates directly with Trello cards and their due dates. Once you see the calendar power-up, take a moment to confirm that it matches your needs. When you're ready, click the Add button next to the calendar option. If you're on Trello's free plan and you've already reached the limit of one power-up per board, you may need to remove an existing power-up before you can add the calendar. To do this, simply go back to your board's power-ups area. Locate the one you want to remove and disable it to make room for the calendar. After successfully adding the calendar power-up, head back to your board. You should now see the calendar feature available in your board's header area. Take a moment to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now that the calendar is added, you can start using it. Begin by adding due dates to your Trello cards. These due dates will automatically appear on the calendar, giving you a clear view of your schedule. Finally, don't forget to let your team know that the calendar feature is now active. This will ensure everyone is on the same page and can use the calendar for shared planning and collaboration. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.